You have no issue believing in a God. You have no issue believing that we have a purpose, right? The question arises, if God is now to communicate our purpose to us, how would he do it? So there are two main options. Either he only tells one person or a community, and then they tell everybody else. But the issue with that is, human beings can die. Yeah? So if somebody dies, how do we know? So book makes the most sense. Yeah? Now the question arises, which book? What would make a book from God? What evidence do you require? Any evidence.
That it cannot be reproduced.
No one else can reproduce it. The Quran has a challenge inside it. When you check, you will see this as well. That if you believe that the Quran comes from anyone else, then produce a verse like it. That if it was to come from someone else, then you should easily be able to copy it, replicate it. But nobody has been able to replicate a chapter like the Quran.
If everyone can understand it, why can they not reproduce?
That's a good question. That's a good question. And I would pose the same question to anybody else, that if it is so easy, why has nobody done so?
But no one ever tried.
Yes, they have. Because the peak time for it to be tried, the mastery of Arabic was at the time of revelation. Yeah? 1400 years ago, Arabic was at its peak. Yeah? Even in terms of historicity, that's the peak time of Arabic. And at that time, even till today, no one has managed to do so. There is no credible evidence anywhere that somebody has successfully replicated a chapter like the Quran. Hasn't been done. Muslims have made this claim. Non-Muslim scholars like Angelica Neworth has made this claim as well.